First open Google Chrome browser. Then search by typing Bing Image Creator. First visit www.bing.com website. Click on the three lines and sign in to create a new account. Enter your email address. Then copy and paste the verify code from the mail. Click on the password option and set the password. Copy and paste the prompt. The prompt link is given in the description. Change the name and enter your name. Then click on Create option and wait for few seconds. Download the photo by clicking on three lines from here. To create the next name, follow the same process. To create the next name, follow the same process. Thanks for watching full video. Stay tuned by subscribing the channel for next video.